Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Sphero Mini. By the time you're done watching this video, you will know the basic functions and movements of the Sphero Mini. So first, we have the app on the iPad, which I will show you later. On this, there is a sensor here. It tells the ball where to go, and then there's 3D lights and Bluetooth to connect to Bluetooth. For this, it comes with a mini small USB charger you could plug into the wall. To turn this off, all you have to do, you could just leave it idle, so just don't touch it and it'll automatically turn off, or in the app you can turn it off. So what I'm showing you in this video, we're going to be using the block structure. It's much easier than the joystick because the joystick is very sensitive, so I personally would use the block structure. Commands, it's very simple. You tell it what to do, it'll listen to you. It can move anywhere from 0 degrees, which is straightforward, to 359 degrees, which is a circle which moves all the way back to forwards, and then everything in between. So to turn it on, you can you have to shake it. But up here, we'll do connect. It's in the top right corner. And then you click your device, and then you'll see it turn on. So it's turning on. Okay, now it's connected. Okay. Now, once you have it connected, what you're gonna wanna do is, you should already see My Programs up here. If not, click My Programs. Also, feel free to stop this video at any time if you're confused. Once you're here, you're gonna do Create Program. It's very key that you make sure that you're on the block structure, it's in the middle, and make sure you're connected to Sphero Mini. Once you're in the block structure, say you want it to move straight forwards. So here at the bottom left, you're gonna see this, there's a blue, and then like a green, and then kind of like a maroon color. You're gonna click the light blue one, drag it up all the way to where it's connected to the OnStart program. And then here you're gonna see roll 0 degrees at 0 speed for 0 seconds. You can change this. So say you want it to turn right, you do 90 degrees, that is right. And let's say you want it 90 degrees for 2 seconds and at a pretty small speed. So we did 74 speed. So as you can see, also put the sensor where you want it to start. And then after, hit start in the top middle, and then it moves just like that, and it'll go for as long as you want. Maybe you want it to go for longer, you can adjust the speed. So yeah, that is the basics on how to use the Sphero Mini. Thank you. If you want your Sphero to go 2 different directions at the same time, so you want it to go forwards and then move to the right, is the exact same thing. So you can have it go, put it at 0 degrees because that is straight forward, and then at the same 74 speed, and then for, let's do 1 second. Okay, so that's your first function. You want to move forwards. Now if you also want it to move right, you're gonna have to click this at the bottom and drag it all the way up till it's connected. So if you want it to go right, it shows you the arrow it's pointing, 90 degrees. And then we can do that same speed, and then we'll make it go for 1 second. And then after, you click start, I'll show you. There you go, it almost fell off the table there. But yeah, that is how you do different movements at once.